Do you want to learn how to create viral cat story video with AI? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So for making this video, we're going to use this tool called Vsub. It's an AI tool which lets you generate these type of videos, and the owner keeps updating the tool with more and more features. So the one we need to use is AI video. Let's click on this. And now here you can choose a language. So you can make the AI video in these languages. I'm going to keep it English. And down here we have templates. You can select out of all of these templates. I'm going to keep it comic. Then you need a transcript. You can use script generator. And inside this, they have these types. All of these different genre, you can create scripts for these. Or what you can do is use an AI text generator like ChatGPT or Llama 3.2, which I have used here. Downloaded this AI model on my computer locally by using this tool, which is MSTY, misty.app. You need to install the local AI model. It takes in like 2 GB space of your computer. And once you're done, you can choose the AI model from here, and then you can chat with it locally on your computer. So I said, create a viral cat story video script, and it made this script. Then I just tried a few different formations without segment and one para, and it gave us this script at the end. I copied this from here. In transcript, I will paste this, and then you can provide additional context for image generation. Let's say, for example, this is a cat video, so we can say cat story. And next to transcript, we have settings. This is for the AI voice. So Vsub currently have these OpenAI and 11 Labs. So I've selected 11 Labs for this. So you can use these voice settings, stability, similarity. You can click on plus to add a voice from 11 Labs account. And when you click on this drop down, you can select any of these 11 Labs voices. You can search from here. Auto remove silence. Let's click this, and size, landscape, image duration level. After how much duration do you want the images to load? That way. One level is 3 seconds after every 3 seconds. Level 3 is 9 seconds per image. I'm just going to keep it 1 and transcript. Now let's click on continue. It will create the AI voice, transcribe audio, generate image ideas, AI images, and then render the video. Now this is the generated video. With each content line, they have these AI images, and you can regenerate these images or change them. Replace these images or enter the image URL from here. Now in the settings, you can go to voice, change the voice volume, voice pitch, preview the voiceover. In effects, there's a particle background animation going on in the video. So you can change, you can remove that from here. Transition, strong vibe, smooth, that way. And music, you can upload a music so that when the video is playing, there will be a music in the background. There's subtitles, you can change them by clicking on these icons, edit icons. There's style, you can change the font style, decoration, add emojis on these subtitles, and a lot more. There are different templates available inside Vsub for subtitles, subtitle animations. Now on the right side, on the video, you can change the default position of these subtitles. You can click it and move it up and down like this. And you can also move the individual position by clicking on this and moving it up. Now this is only going to affect this particular subtitle. So if you play this, the second subtitle now moves back to the default position. Now let's take a look at the generated video.
Meet Mr. Fluffers, who tried to make a break for it after being stuck in his carrier for too long, knocking over the carrier and running around frantically before finally getting stuck in a narrow gap between the wall and door frame. Mittens thought it was hilarious to knock over an entire ball of yarn one day, chasing it around the room with her paw before getting tangled up in a mess of strings. Luna tried on silly hats and outfits, striking poses in front of the mirror with priceless reactions until she got tired and flopped onto her side. Sarah had 9 fur babies at home, including multiple cats lounging on couches, beds, and even tiny tables. She looked exhausted, but happy, surrounded by all her furry friends.
Now this is the pricing plan of Vsub. Monthly, it's starting at $29 per month. You can check out the features available, and it goes all the way up to $99 per month with these features. And currently it's available on a lifetime deal. So you can switch to the lifetime deal plan. And you can see here the Pro version is available for $490 and Premium is available for $990, and it's a one-time payment. So if you found the video helpful, and if you click the link in the description and purchase any of these lifetime deals, I may get a small commission. They only have 100 licenses left, so get it while it's available. So this is how to generate or create viral cat story videos with AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.